All the ingredients you'll need for this will be written in the caption. You'll also need some cookie cutter hearts and some twine. Melt some peanut butter in the microwave and melt your lard. While you're doing this, add your dry ingredients into a bowl. Then, gradually add your wet ingredients into your dry and give it a good mix. Grab a tray, your cookie cutters, some twine and scissors. Cut pieces of twine and tie them around your cookie cutters. Your mixture might need a minute in the fridge if it's super runny. If not, fill your cutters with the mixture. Then put it in the fridge to set. I left mine all day just to be sure. Then you can untie the twine and release your hearts from the cutters. Tie them back up and you're ready to hang them in your garden. These look great and they also make lovely gifts. Give it a go and share pictures on social media with us. We'd love to see how you get on.